We're staying in our office layout.dwg file, and in this particular video we're going to take a little look at how we move and copy our objects in our AutoCAD drawings. Now this is really quick and easy to do. The whole idea of all of these modify tools in AutoCAD is so that you get in, get the job done, get out again. That's the whole idea. Quick and easy, quick clicks to get through and be productive. So what we're going to take a look at is move and copy. Now bear in mind, on the modify panel up here on the ribbon, you've got move and copy there, like so. So what I could do is I could select my desk like that, go up here, and using that noun verb selection that I talked about in the previous video, I can click on move, and as you can see, it now asks me for a base point. Click there, move it around, etc. Now I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to show you a quicker way, and it's up to you which method you want to adopt. I'll hit escape a couple of times just to deselect the objects, cancel the move command. Now I'm going to utilize the right click on the mouse. So all I've got to do is select my desk, right click on the mouse, and notice I've got some of my modify tools here on the shortcut menu. So I've got move. So I click on move. It then prompts me for the base point. Now the base point is where you are moving from, not where you're moving to. So I want to move it from this particular corner here, or perhaps this particular corner here. I'm going to go for this endpoint snap here. Now when you're moving and copying, make sure your object snaps are on, much more accurate. And as you can see, I can now move that anywhere. Now I'm going to come in here, and if you want to zoom in a bit, you want to make sure that it's that little corner there, and you might get an intersection or an endpoint snap. Click. And you can see the desk goes in nice and neatly into that little corner space there. Zoom and pan so that you're back to where you were before. Now I need to place another desk. Now this is where copy comes in, and the workflow is exactly the same as move. So I click here like that. I right click, and again copy selection is on the shortcut menu. That's the quick and easy way of getting there. Copy is up on the modify panel if you want to use it. Copy selection, again specify a base point. This time I'm going to the endpoint snap on that corner of the desk. See the endpoint snap? Left click. And then using that corner, I'm popping it into this cubicle in the office here. Again, zoom in tight if you want to be able to see. It should be an intersection or an endpoint there. Left click. Now it will keep copying ad nauseum, as you can see. So you just press enter to finish, job done. Zoom out slightly. And there you go. You've got a desk in that cubicle and a desk sort of in that cubicle. You'll see what we're going to do with that later. Now we've got our plant like so. So I'll click on the plant, and again, it's right click, move. I'm going to go down there. You'll find an intersection in the middle, left click. I'm going to pop one there like that. I might select the plant again now, right click, copy selection, use the intersection in the center. There it is. Takes a minute to find. Click there, and I'm going to pop a plant there as well. Press enter to finish. So there's some copying there as well, moving and copying. Now the last two, the red computer and the green chair, we're going to move. So I'm going to select the computer like so, and right click and move. I'm going to use that little midpoint snap in the center there on that arc. Left click. Move that over onto this desk. Left click again. Finished. You'll notice move, it's just a move. Copy, it repeats. That's the subtle difference between move and copy when you're working in AutoCAD. Again, we'll select the chair, right click and move. And I'm going to pick the rear midpoint on the back of the chair, left click there. I'm just going to pop that into that little space there, left click again. So you can see how move and copy are very quick clicks, very quick and easy clicks to get you into the modifying of your drawings and moving your objects around quickly and easily.